Hey guys, my name's Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So I wanted to show you guys how to turn pictures into line art, and this method should work on most pictures, and I'm actually going to show you guys two ways. The first way you can do it on like a canvas and on paper, and then the second way you could do it on glass. So let's just get started. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is pick out any picture that you want to turn into line art. I'm going to use this picture of Alexa Demi from Euphoria Season 2 because I thought that this look was iconic. Also, you're going to want to make sure that this is printed out on a piece of paper because you don't want to ruin your actual photograph. Take whatever paper you want to do your line art on, and I'm actually going to paint square blobs onto mine to make this my background, and you could do that too, or you could do circles, or you could leave it empty, whatever you want. Okay, so go back to your photograph and then flip it around and take a pencil or a mechanical pencil and shade in the whole page. You're going to want your paper to look something like this. Take your picture and place it on top of your background wherever you want it to be, and then I taped it down so that it would stay in place. And then just outline your photograph like I am. So trace out any people in your picture, any places or anything you want to show up on the line art. You can make this as detailed as you want or as minimal as you'd like. It just depends on how much you trace. And I personally like my line art minimal, so I'm only going to trace out Alexa and none of the background. Once you got everything that you want traced out, just lift up your picture like this, and then you can see that the line art should have transferred onto your background. To make this line art really show up, I'm just going to trace over it with some black paint. And then there we go guys, we have our line art from whatever picture you picked. Okay guys, so I decided to stay in the Euphoria realm for this DIY. So I'm going to be turning this picture of Sydney Sweeney into line art. You're going to want to pick whatever picture you want, and then also make sure to have a picture frame that will fit your picture. And then take the glass from that frame and place it on top of your picture, and you can also tape it down so that the picture doesn't move around. I'm going to take a Sharpie paint marker, and this one's in white, and I'm going to trace out Sydney. Once again, I like my line art really minimal, so I only traced out her body shape and her lips, but you could do like the rest of her face, or you could even do the roses behind her. And the good thing about this method is that if you mess up, all you have to do is take an all-purpose cleaner and a little rag, and then you could just easily erase whatever you don't want off of the glass. When you have your line art however you want, make sure to remove the photograph and then take any paper you want for your background. And I got this from Joann's. They have really good quality paper and they're like less than $1. And then just place it in back like that and make sure to cut it to the correct size. And then you have your really easy glass line art done from whatever picture you chose. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more DIYs and stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!